They're very important. Very, very much so. If you look at some of the most massive artists and the most influential artists, the more so the things that they say, the positive, and when you thinking of consciousness in the form that we know it as being positive music. Those are the huge mega acts. You know, the huge mega forces in music. It's not really the people who talk about the whole negativity and stuff. They kind of like flash by night. They just come through, have their moment, and leave. But the people who actually express some type of positivity, those are the people that stay around forever, like the U2s and the Michael Jackson. You just go through their catalogs about the positive message, grossly positive, to the point where it's like, I'm not singing that in public, but you will, you know. But on the hip hop side, as far as just straight lyrics and lyricism, compared to people like Nas and Mos Def, it's the same thing. You leave more. There's more depth to what you say.
Right.
You know, people have to spend a longer time listening to what you say. It reverberates more and longer, as opposed to something that's just quick and for the moment, and that in itself gives you longevity. You know, in the game, and that's what I want.